Magandang oras na naman po mga kaagapay. After workout, eto po, I would like to share with you my new discovery. Like, we're trying our best to eat vegetarian food for this week without rice, take note. And I discovered something new. I just try to do something new like this. Ito po siya. I just stir fry, I saute garlic and onion, and then 2 pieces of tomatoes. After that one, I put taro, a taro root crop, 2 pieces, and I sprinkle fennel on it. But of course, I stir fry first the chicken breast. I cut them into cubes, and the one that Marisa gave to me, the eggplant, the talong, I cut it lengthwise into thin pieces, and then I just fried it a little bit in a saucepan. I fried it like until it will gonna turn golden brown like this. This is the texture. And then we'll just put the eggplant like a toppings, and then cook it like just like 1.5 hours. Yeah, to meet the consistency. And you know what, guys? It tastes yummy. Even though you don't have any rice anymore, you will gonna be you're feeling full for one cup, or it depends. You can eat as much as you can if it is vegetable. So I hope guys try to do it, and I'm sure you will never ever ever taste the goodness of eggplant. So for the good heart of my friend, thank you so much, Maris, and looking forward to see you soon. Bye bye. Have a good day.